Welcome to Cisco's Certified Network Associate Class 7. My name is Prithvi and I'm your trainer. In this video, let's discuss about network commands, some basic network commands, what we use in our networking in order to troubleshoot networks and which command is used when and all the stuff. And before moving to that, let's discuss a simpler topic. Let's discuss about loopback IP addressing. So when we are dealing with the classes of IP address, I had told that class A is from, so if you just remember that I told you regarding the classes of IP addresses, class A is from 0 to 126 and class B is from 128 to 191 and class C is from 192 to 223. So I guess these are correct, fine. So these are the ranges of class A, class B and class C IP addresses. But one thing here should be taken into consideration. 0 to 126 is written and 128 to 191 is written and 192 to 223 is written. We have missed a number if you observe it carefully, that is 127. 127 is the number we had missed. 127 is voluntarily removed because 127 acts as a loopback IP address. So the loopback IP address is 127.0.0.0. This is the network range for loopback IP address. Okay, so what is this loopback IP address and why is this loopback network range? Why we made this reserved for this loopback IP addressing? It'll sense for you if I'll tell you regarding some commands. So just let's leave it here and let's move on to some of the important commands we use in networking. So some of the important commands we use in networking are ping. So ping is used to verify the connectivity. So the simple definition to ping is used to verify the connectivity. We ping something. Suppose you are connected to the internet. Okay, this PC is connected to the internet. I'll just go to terminal or command prompt here. I went to terminal, ping www.google.com. Yeah, see here, we're getting replies 64 bytes from, I'll copy and paste this so that we can understand better what exactly has happened. I'll tell you. So when I try to ping www.google.com, what it is, I had pinged google.com, the server of google.com, and this is known as a request. So I gave a request to google.com via which command? Ping www.google.com. So I got a response 64 bytes from 74.12.125.200.147. This is the IP address. Okay, this is the IP address of Google server. This is the IP address of Google server. So this is said to be called as a response. Okay, so I have given a Google server a ping request and Google server replied me with a response. So this is, I got the response from this IP address. Okay, now ICMP sequence 0. So ICMP stands for Internet Control Message Protocol. ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. So before going to ICMP, what is the meaning of protocol? Protocol is nothing but protocols are a set of rules to be followed. In a simple English, that's what the meaning is. So ICMP, there is a protocol. There are several protocols. in that ICMP is a protocol which stands for Internet Control Message Protocol. So this ICMP is responsible for the working of ping. Ping command works only because of this Internet Control Message Protocol. If and if Internet Control Message Protocol is not there, we can't use ping. So that is ICMP. So ICMP packet has a sequence number. So here the sequence number is 0. TTL, the very important next thing is TTL. So TTL stands for time to live. So each and every packet has a certain time. It has to be in the network. If that time had been exceeded, the packet will be self-destroyed. So this is done in order to prevent loops. So this is said to be called as a TTL or time to live. Each and every datagram or each and every data packet that is coming or going through the network has a certain time to live or TTL value. So that is about your ping. So we use ping to verify the connectivity between the hosts to make sure that the hosts are running well. Now let's try some other thing. The command for both Mac as well as your Windows is the same, but for Mac we go to terminal. For Windows users you can go for CMD or command prompt. So let's ping www.facebook.com. So when I try to ping www, okay, my domain name is wrong. Just give me a second. Okay, I'll again go to terminal, ping www.facebook.com. So my ping request is sent to facebook.com and facebook.com replied me. Okay, facebook.com replied me with this IP address, 64 bytes from this IP address with Internet Control Message Protocol sequence number 0 and the time to live of that packet. As I told you, each and every packet has a time to live. And I got some packet drops. See, request timed out. Request timed out in the sense your packet has been sent. Your ping request has been sent, but your ping reply has not been received. This is because of the problems with the internet connection and the internet connectivity. See, I'm getting constant replies. So Facebook server is replying my ping request. So this is how you can use ping, and by using ping you can do a lot. So what can you do using ping? So the first and the foremost important thing is to verify the connectivity. So you can connectivity. So you can verify whether your particular host or your particular site is up or down and is it running well or not. And troubleshooting can be done. Troubleshooting can be done by using ping. So troubleshooting can be done by using ping. So how can troubleshooting be done? Generally, ping gives you two types of errors if the packet did not go properly. One is request timed out and the second one is host unreachable. Okay, so the difference between request timed out and host unreachable is in request timed out, packet went. What happens in request timed out is packet went from you. That is, ping request is okay, but you are not able to receive a ping response. So as I already told you earlier, ping is a combination of request and response. So request timed out means packet went from you, but you couldn't get a reply back due to some problems. So this will give you a hint in troubleshooting. Host unreachable means packet did not even go from you. So that is the difference between request timed out and host unreachable. So that is what ping is all about. So you can even ping an IP address. Okay, ping 10.0.0.1 request time dot request time dot request time dot, because I don't have any service running on this 10.0.0.1 to ping. So you can ping an IP address, you can ping a domain name. So that's how this ping can be used to verify and troubleshoot the connectivity between the hosts. And another most important command is tracert. Okay, tracert. This is also a command which is used. Tracert is also known as traceroute. So we also call it as traceroute. Traceroute, tracert command is used in order to find the path of your data packet. I'll show you. Just go to terminal. Traceroute www.google.com. So the moment I type traceroute www.google.com, so first it went to 192. So it shows the path of the packet, how exactly the data packet is going. So it went to 192.168.1.1, which is my default gateway. So it went there, and there the packet had got dropped. This star represents that there is some firewall which is not allowing you to see, and then it went to 10.71.80.3, maybe some other device. It went there, and later it went to 172.16.26.251. Okay, so it is going to show the path right from your personal computer to directly your Google web server, how exactly your path is going on. So this is what the use of traceroute is. You can find the path, how exactly your data packet is moving. This ping and traceroute are very important commands in your networking. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching my video. This is Prithvi signing off.